la watu I lau whionga te tai o malo mo lau sa noanga utu. With respect, I call upon the Prime Minister of Samoa for your official comment remarks.
Atalo fatu I le nganga whaaloalo. I le paia malu mawalunga o lea wa malutawe nei. I le tupua malilao ai. I Savalalo nei. Wala loto le tai o ana. Ae tai tafola le tai o le whaletua masanga. Wa leu maea na tutole ni o le tua oi ma le atua. E poi o le tua oi o atua ma ana. Tula iai le ava ma le whaaro le tele whapa iatu I le paia ma walunga o le tātou tai hao ma le aso. Sula usunga le te tai o le sauninga, Reverend Alisana Vamsanga. Lau whionga le li palemia o le malo New Zealand. Lau whionga tui si nave maulu matotua ma lau au malanga. Fio le whionga le whonga whetalai o le palemene o Samoa. Fio lau whionga le sui palemia, Minister o Kapeneta, sui o le palemene, Minister Langolango. Tai nane le paia o tātou malo mai fafo, Diplomatic Corps. Whaululunga mtanga luenga le malo, tai nane lau whai pisinisi, malato uma o le awha o ngā ina le nei whale, le mawalunga o Samoa na poto. Wafio mai matala mai ao, ma le mai moa mai a Samoa I tawha e fia I wā lesi whasalalau. Tā alofa lava. E manatu o leo maeo na mamoli I la palapa o malo I le atua tol taspaia. Pawai ai Samoa e whaftai ai whaivo leo staulanga le atua. A mi ai paia wha le lea. Tātou te whapaia I nai le nei whale fau. Malona wha moe. Tau ina whātutu mu pē le atua le utu. Le upu mana ma le upu fola na sao no iai. Lau sunga le tai o le sauninga. O le whau waifo I matangi, ati maalia le lupe na tu mafa whiri malai. A wale malai o tō whinga Samoa. Mana tu lea o le au leto e whawhola le whala pe si se matala langa. O paia lava o Samoa o paia e tu mau. E le tonu o Samoa le tunu o umana pailango. A uma manu whatiti. A wale au tu la toa, ma le au fue le loa. A inga fia, a ingo tupu, a ingo nofo, a ingo papa, ma inga te whaiwha. Kai nane a inga nei le ite al malama. Tulou na ia. Ai au te whangaina le nei awanoa tā ua wha aulo, o te whawhelo I atu le paia ma walunga. O lau whionga le li pāle mia o le malo New Zealand. Ma lau au malanga. Pa malo le folau, pa malo le malanga manuia, whawhetai le a whio mai matala mai ao o tātou whatati le nei aso. O se mitanga ma ua mawalunga ai fo I le nei aso. Le au ai mai o lau whionga ma lau au malanga I le Tatala Aloaina. O le Maketi nei Savalalo. O le whailonga e atangi ai paanga whaavāwāla lata le malo e lua. New Zealand ma Samoa e pei o na tātou murima wina I le so. Ai o te manatu o le so, wana o na tātou tue tatu le to'o ma tepa I le ata. Le amatanga o le luafe se furu ma le ono. Na matua mu atoa ai le tātou Maketi le nei. O le nofoanga sa whenga iai o tātou matua. Tupulanga e fia, mai lea ngā tupulanga ma lea ngā tupulanga. Sa whai mato ainga. E mapuma iai le atunu I so se vaenga. Leu whai whātoanga ma leu whai whaiva. O leu whale loa ma whai mea tau lima. O lato umo lo ngalua le vao ma le sami. E mei se whelo inga o whemalanga inga. I to tonu o so tātou atunu. E lei whai ngofie le vai tau. Ai sea, o le no foanga le nei. O le no foanga tu to tonu sa tua iai le atunu. Ilo na ati na ina. Ati na ino ainga, Atina ino e kalesia, atina ino nuu mai tu malo. Ai mai se le atina ino le tatou malo. Pia le tua le nei taiao. Wa tatou wau whanga poto tatou te moli mawina. Le nei ngā luenga sa whau wau whau po. Ono le wha moe moe o le atina ina o si o tatou watunu. E mo mori le nganga wha aftai ma le nganga wha malo New Zealand. E tusa i le wha tupe ina o le nei ngā luenga. Se furulua miliona tala New Zealand. Po le luas fulu miliona tala Samoa. Na wha mea lofa mai le malo New Zealand. Pausia il Maketi le nei. O le sao le malo Samoa, e tau le mai le Land Cooperation. E se fulu miliona tala. O nono wingo le au whainga ato le tau le ngalueng le nei. Tolu se fulu miliona tala. O le fausia ina sa fufuaina e se fulu malu masina u maia. Pei tai, o tele fetuna inga o no nisio fesuia inga. Sa whenga iai mai la tau sa tāpena ina le nei ngā luenga. Nai me whau popo, whetuna inga, sa iai uma le tau pulenga. Ina ia le ngata ina mautu le whale. Ao le anoa whale. O le company, le 𝙎𝙪𝙨 Construction Company Limited, na manu malo le tau whonga le malo ila na tau. Lusu wha miliona, iwa se lauto le sfuru. Miliona tala. E iai le tau whaapopo nei ngā luenga pe o na tā ua mumua. O na whaapopo whaatasi lea. Tulai mai le tau, tolu se fulu miliona e iai le tai au le nei. I le tala whaasolo pito ngā luenga le tātou malo, o le urua i whale le nei. Wa tā pena lava le lātou Solar Power System Supply. E le o alu le tise le malo. A ua whaatulanga lava le lātou power system e whao ngā i malosi i whawhawina. Mai o se la sanga tā ua ua waa iai le tātou malo. Tātou te tilo iai mo le lumanai. E lua se lau kilowati. Ua whamawina lo na malosi ato toa e mawhai ai o na tau awele nei whale. I le tūlanga a toa e au ngoa ma le toe whaalangolango. I le tātou company o le EPC o lo sapalaia tūlanga o le nevai tau. Pei on sirifia ma mori mawina, lo whia ngai pei tātou ma whawhi tau li le mena tupu. O lona winga, o le whātūlai o ngā luenga le nei. O se tūlanga e vai ma mau ai na IFSO soani. I le ngā luenga whi tau lo whia ngai mal company, mal tātou whaalapo tonga malosi wha eltise. E ma whai ai o na whaatūlanga le ngā luenga wha penei mōli lumanai. A vea ilo leo e whai mawhonga tāu mōli o Sama Uma, si o tātou watunu watoa e meise le tātou malo, mōli atu ai le nganga whaaftei tele le malo New Zealand, mais tātou pat tele. O le company atinai Corden and Associated o lātou nasa lātou fuafuaina le whaatonu-tonuina. O le ngaiuaina o insiniaina wha inga o ata ma mea uma fsotai. I le sunga ia lei ataua tom tinai o le sui o le company. Sa fisosoani ia le sunga ia Annie Milbank ma i lātou uma sa whaatinoina nei ngā luenga se ia o ina ua atoa. O le konkalate le 𝙎𝙪𝙨 Construction Company Limited, momoli ai le nganga whaaftei tele o le sa whausia, le nei ngā luenga tā ua mo le tātou malo. Le tō wha ia tau tua, Mr. Wang, Managing Director, ma le company, tusa ma ngā luenga mātango fie, ua maea o na whausia ina. E vefo nei avano tā ua e wha leo ina ai le nganga whaaftai e le wha ngalo a fia i si o na vau. Ile whainga malo na mai atu. Le foi sa vea mpalamia, le fionga le sa whapito ia fia me na au mimta afa. Hainane le fionga le li minsta sa ngafa man nei ngā luenga. whingoa le tō whaia le tinu Wayne Fong. Sa tātou wa matamea, o lea whau wa tātou whai umea, a wāre nei wha moe moe. Ia, le pai ae ma le mawalunga o Samoa wa tātou mafuta le nei aso. Ma le pai ae ma le mamalu mawalunga o Samoa uma, o lea ua foli e whao ngā ina le tātou whale le nei, o le tatalo le tātou malo. O le maota lea, o loutou maota, o loutou whale, o lautou wati nai. Ina ia matuatu tua ai tātou uma, e wa ai whale lei, o a tātou meto tino. A watu vai malui puenga o nol tūlanga o tūlai mai tau whetuna inga o tō uma i tono le maota. Wa tele tu sta sanga, a wale lava avanoa. Ai ua tau te popole. O lo whatu langa le komiti isi me fau e mwhai ai o na ofi umo o tau tono. E le ngata iri tātou ngā luenga. O lo tā pena isi tātou Maketi fau e whau inai fungalei, tai nane isi tātou Maketi whau popo mori lumanai. O lona winga ia mau le tō vai. Au i la tau lava na mua tālu sanga. E manatu e tātou te whasoro solo le tangata mua e tau lia. A ele o to iai ni awa no fe furi tua inga e te talo atu le paia man mamalu. Sa mo umo le angafa ma le whao ngā ino le nei whale. Ia tau tua nā. O le aso ma le whao moe vi ia le tua i lau tau mai tau. A wā tātou manatu i futia ua sola ma so walu. Talo whae le mea nā matai o tātou matua. Tātou ilo umalava le mea nei tātou te iai le taimi le nei ua nā sami sa iai. Le Maketi tuai sa iai. O mea lava no mai o tātou matua mwhai ngā malo wa sola tau mwhai. Aia le taimi le nei. Tepa iula, tango iula, futi ia manu ula le so. Lona winga ia whaafo i pēle vi inga. Whaamanu ma le whaafetai le tua. Ua mawhai o na tātou au lia ma le manuia le nei wha moe moe. Right Honourable Christopher Luxon and your dedication, lau whionga sinave maulu matotua. Tui sinave maulu matotua. Today marks a proud, historic moment for our country as we officially open this new Savalalo market here in the heart of Apia. This market is more than building of timbers, steel and concrete. It is the living heartbeat of our people, where the place where our culture, our economy, and our community comes together. I extend a warm welcome to you, Honourable Prime Minister of New Zealand, and your esteemed dedication. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us this morning, this afternoon, and this evening again. I believe this is your second visit since the following of the Commonwealth Government meeting, CHOCOM, October 2024. Your Excellency, your attendance today is a powerful symbol for enduring partnership and friendship between our two nations. Our relationship is founded on shared history, mutual respect, and strong people-to-people ties that span generations across the Pacific Ocean. The new Savalalo market marks another milestone in development of our Apia Waterfront project. This market has always been a cornerstone of Samoa life. For decades, it has been a place where farmers raise before dawn and bring fresh taro, banana, bread, fruit, and vegetables, where fishers return from the sea with their daily catch, and where abstain display fine mats, handicraft, and where families gathering not only to trade, but to connect. The unfortunate fire incident in early 2016 destroyed the former Savalalo market. The previous government initial plan to build a new market at its new location on the government land at Songi. But when our Fatuatua Le Tuasama Watasi become the next government in 2021, we have decided the best place in Savalalo on its original place as it is today. Why? Because this place is central, an idea for everyone, everywhere that comes to up here. easy to accessible and cheap to compare in shifting to 𝙬𝙪. The new facilities stand for a testimony of resilience and vision. We have faced natural disaster, global economic challenges, and unprecedented trials of pandemic. Yet, through unity and determination, we build stronger. The market represents opportunity for small business to grow, for women, entrepreneurs, and success for our young people to participate in comments of our rural people to access our urban markets. The total cost of the project is 30 million 𝙬𝙚. This was made possible for the general donation from the government of New Zealand, 12 million 𝙬𝙚 New Zealand, estimate 20 million Samoan 𝙬𝙚. What about a hand for our New Zealand government? The government of Samoa contribute 10 million 𝙬𝙚 through the Samoa Land Corporation. 𝙎𝙪𝙨 Construction Company Limited is a local company who won the bid of design and construction of Savalalo Market with a bid of 24,983,000. Originally, the construction of new market was targeted for 18 months, up to September 2025. But the contractor requested an additional 3 months up to September 2025 to complete. This is the first time solar panel has been installed in a government building. And it is a pilot project for other government buildings to consider in future. The solar panel can produce up to 200 kilowatts, which is self-sufficient and more than enough to service the whole building at any time when power is off. The building maximum solar system consumption is expected to 120 kilowatts per day, which means 80 kilowatts is not used. This is why 2 large solar batteries has been installed to store 400 kilowatt solar power. It is certain contribute to help to reduce the dependence on fossil fuel and promote renewable energy, and hereby support third national determination contribution to reinforce of our commitment to achieve our national target, 70% of renewable energy used by 2031. I would like to acknowledge with great gratitude, with appreciation on behalf of the people of Samoa and government of Samoa, the people and the government of New Zealand for their financial contribution of 12 million New Zealand dollars, converted to 20 million dollars Samoan. 𝙬𝙚 Gordon and Associate, this project was looked after by 𝙬𝙚 Gordon and Associate Company Limited, representing by a whionga le ataua Tony 𝙬𝙚 and assisted by Ms. Annie Milbank Tatala for your hard work and all the construction ahead for the contractor requirement. I also acknowledge the contractor whionga Tautua Wang for his highly chief from Savalalo, Managing Director of 𝙎𝙪 Construction Limited, for a great job, and thank you for constructing the state-of-the-art of market infrastructure. I would also acknowledge the contribution by our former Prime Minister, Honourable Fiamena Naomi Mataafa, and Minister responsible for this project during the last term, Tofala Tinu Wayne Fong. Thank you also for your contribution that completes our project today. To all our vendors, this is your home. There is no room for argument. There's more space for you. And the government will make sure we have far more new spaces, new spots, to make sure everyone has a piece in this new market. To our partners, including the government and the people of New Zealand, we express our sincere gratitude for your cooperation and support. Development is the strongest, where it builds partnership, and today, open reflects can be achieved together in the spirit of Pacific society. As we may cut the ribbon today, we are not merged opening of a new marketplace. We are opening new doors. Doors to economic empowerment, food security, climate resilience infrastructure, and inclusive growth. Last but not the least, may this market continue to echo the voices of the Pakening and the Laughs. May it showcase the opulence of our land and sea. May it strengthen our family and our villages in our culture and our tradition. And may it stand for generation as a symbol of progress rooted in tradition. We pray that our Almighty God and His kindness and His protection over this market so that it won't burn again. To protect our people who are operating different businesses in this market and visitors, family, friends from overseas and tourists, I wish you all the very best and God bless us all today. Soifua mai manuia.
Ia se koe o mai asa pakpake ngani, sai male sau no angal whionga I pan mea. Mga kulea ua tau toi pangati o le tau tianga. Mau ala lafo foi le liu le atu al tau tai matapat pala. Ua longo fatu tuila foi le malai Savalalo nei, tu sai male sau no anga. Al whionga tai o le malo. Mai mamoli le nganga o le whaftai tele. I lau whionga le ni pan mea. Today we celebrate the official opening of the new Savalalo market, and we are honored and privileged for the presence of the Prime Minister of New Zealand. Lau whionga tui sinave ulum totua, Right Honourable Christopher Luxon and your delegation. I invite the Prime Minister of New Zealand for your special remarks. Honourable Prime Minister.
Talofa lava, kia ora, good afternoon everybody. Can I just acknowledge you, Reverend Minister, Honourable Prime Minister and your good lady, to all the Honourable Ministers, the representatives of the government that are here, community leaders, market vendors, ladies and gentlemen. It is genuinely a great privilege to be able to join you today in celebrating the official opening of the new Savalalo market. At the beating heart of any community is its marketplace. It's a place where people come to sell their produce and to earn a living, but it's also a place where artisans share their craft, where visitors can experience the unparalleled warmth of Samoan hospitality. But it's also far more than just a place for commerce. It's a place where people bump into each other, where they talanoa, where they share about their family and friends, where they laugh together and maybe even shed a tear or two. So the fire that destroyed the original Savalalo market must have been devastating for this community. No doubt its absence was deeply felt by vendors, by families, and all of those who cherished and shared their lives in the space. Today, as we open this new market, I think that we are really celebrating not only the rebuilding of a landmark, but also the resilience and the determination of the Samoan people. I'm thrilled to see that restoring this community landmark was a joint effort, achieved in partnership between Samoa and New Zealand. Our support for this project was a no-brainer, because when your friends need you and when they need help, you show up. Such is the nature of our long-standing friendship between our two great nations, one built on trust, mutual respect, shared aspirations for prosperity across the region. The redevelopment of the Savalalo market will, I hope, provide real and tangible benefits for people here in Apia by creating opportunities for small businesses and family-owned enterprises and creating a vibrant space for cultural expression and community events. And outside of the infrastructure, this redeveloped market brings other benefits for the whole community, like our focus on improving working conditions and economic opportunities for women vendors, and the inclusion of sustainable architectural features like solar panels, which make Savalalo one of Samoa's leading examples of climate-resilient development. Our support is also in line with New Zealand's support for the Markets for Change program, which aims to improve working conditions and economic opportunities for women in Samoa's marketplaces. As the market reopens its doors, we celebrate not only a new building, but the enduring relationship between New Zealand and Samoa. May this space continue to be a place of opportunity, a place of creativity, community and connection for all who walk through it. Thank you very much.